G Beauty. I am the social director and community creator at G Beauty. I'm so glad you guys are here to see and experience our newly renovated space and our initiative with Rethink Breast Cancer for the month of October. We've always had such good lighting, but obviously lighting changes after 15 years. And I personally was finding the store photographs just wasn't photographing how it was when you were in here. And it's really important for me that, you know, anybody could take a photo at any angle and it looks really beautiful and fresh and open and clean. And then the products were always on this side. We were just able to lengthen the shelf. So all the brands that we carry are obviously so precious to us. We're essentially just getting smushed. So this just allows for more breathing space and for clients to, again, feel less intimidated by all the product, and then it's more open and inviting. So this area used to be like 4 big product shelves, and it was just like retail crazy. And we really felt that we needed kind of like a breath of fresh air in the space, and also an opportunity for clients to create content if they want to. So this vignette kind of became like our Instagrammable area, where clients can either take an image of the space itself, or we encourage them to pull out products that they've purchased, lay them out on the shelf, and take an image of it, take an image of themselves in the mirror, and then for the month of October, it's where we're going to be showcasing the Kisses for a Cause campaign. It's our 7th year working with Rethink. We're very proud that we really dedicate this whole month to breast cancer awareness. So there's a few different initiatives that clients can get involved in. The one that we're most known for is G Kisses for a Cause. When you take an image of either your pout or your kiss mark on something, or just, you know, your lipstick, like your G Beauty lipstick, and use the hashtag G Kisses for a Cause, we donate $2 per hashtag. We used to donate $1. This year we're doubling it to $2. And then this collection, which we also have on display, all of these pieces, 50% is being donated right to Rethink. Our Prime Skin is our #1 bestseller. It's essentially a tinted primer. It comes in 5 shades. It has an amazing buildable ability, so you can layer concealer, foundation, bronzer, anything else on top. The glow is incredible. It has SPF 20, hyaluronic acid, so really hydrating, very dewy. So now is an amazing time to get back into the more medical grade treatments like IPL, skin tightening, microneedling. We have an amazing treatment called the Ageless Facial, which is our microneedling that we enhance with many different components and customizations, which is great, again, because you have the time now where you're not in the sun for the skin to just be calm and really experience a more intensive treatment. And then in complement of that, we have the new Dome Oxygen Experience, which we call, the facial is called Air Repair, and it's basically a encapsulated oxygen clear sort of dome that rests all over the face and the neck, and it's amazing for healing dehydration, great for people with breakouts that need to have a better balance with hydration where there's excess oil, really great for anyone that is doing more invasive or intensive treatments to heal quicker, so that we can add on to any facial, or you can come in and do on its own. Okay, so these are some of my personal favorites. I am all about creating a regimen from start to finish. So first and foremost, vitamin C. It's one of my most important recommendations for anyone who wants to take care of the skin. This is the Floritin by SkinCeuticals, created more for an oily skin type, which is what I have. Most people know about CE Frulic, which is the same thing, more for a drier skin type. The Barbasturm Hyaluronic Acid, which most people know about, it's all over the gram. It's all about creating intense hydration in the skin while also reversing inflammation in the skin. So this is amazing for breakouts, aging, pigmentation, dehydration, redness, everything. The Luminous Glow Cream by Dr. Sabah is one of my favorites. It has a beautiful pearl luminosity to it, so it gives the skin this amazing glow. It's also non-clogging, it's not heavy on the skin, it smells really good, and it's very lightweight. Eye cream right now, my go-to is the Dr. Dennis Gross Do It All Eye Gel, which is basically a hyaluronic gel for the eyes. Really hydrating, really firming, and very plumping. I'm a huge proponent for neck products, which I don't think gets enough love. The neck is an area that is one of the first to show signs of aging. This product by Dr. Gross has an incredible technology. It has Kybella, which is basically a protein to make collagen essentially stand up straight. It also helps to melt any fat so that the neck really stays tight and firm. And lastly, sunscreen is always a must. And I love the SkinCeuticals Fusion, which is basically like water. It's a universal tint, so it blends into all skin tones, and it's an SPF 50, which is like the best we could ever ask for.